transforming your swimming pool maintenance routine from a tedious weekend chore of manual brushing and vacuuming into a fully automated, hands-off cleaning cycle usually means transitioning to an advanced, high-performance suction side cleaner system. The Zodiac MX6 suction side in-ground pool cleaner with cyclonic suction redefines effortless pool upkeep by combining powerful turbine-driven mobility, aggressive debris suction, and energy-efficient operation. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its innovative cyclonic suction technology paired with the high-torque turbine drive. Instead of struggling with sluggish cleaners that get stuck on pool walls or lose suction when encountering heavy debris, this system maintains a powerful, swirling vortex of water that picks up stubborn dirt and leaves while continuously clinging tightly to pool floors and walls. Performance and everyday versatility streamline routine upkeep for vinyl, gunite, tile, and fiberglass in-ground pools. Outfitted with X-Drive articulation technology, the cleaner navigates intelligently across the pool floor, up walls, and around tight 90-degree corners without getting hung up on drains or steps. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by lightweight, compact construction, easy-to-use quick-connect hoses, low-flow energy efficiency, making it an ideal match for variable-speed pumps without requiring a booster pump, and an easy-access turbine assembly for quick routine maintenance. Things to consider before you buy dedicated skimmer or suction line requirement, because suction side cleaners rely entirely on your pool's main filtration pump to operate. You will need to plug it into a dedicated skimmer line or a dedicated suction port to ensure your pump maintains adequate water flow for both filtration and cleaning. Large debris limitations. While it excels at sucking up fine silt, sand, leaves, and small twigs, extremely large debris or heavy branches should be manually skimmed out first to avoid clogging the internal turbine or hoses. So who is this really for? This suction side pool cleaner is an absolute home run for in-ground pool owners who want thorough floor and wall scrubbing, smart multi-directional navigation, and reliable automated cleaning without investing in expensive, standalone robotic electric pool cleaners. If you have an above-ground pool with low-flow filtration or a completely unplumbed pool system that lacks a working suction line, a different style of cleaner will better match your pool setup. Is it worth the money? If you value powerful cyclonic suction, intelligent X-Drive wall climbing mobility, energy-efficient turbine operation, and hassle-free automated maintenance that keeps your pool crystal clear all season long, it is a premier, highly reliable investment for effortless pool ownership.